Life in Envelopes. I am Jennifer Bleecher. This channel is all about planning, budgeting, paying off debt, and my very exciting journey from full-time teacher to full-time Etsy shop owner and YouTuber. So if that is something that you think you would like to see, then please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you along on this journey. In today's video, we're going to be doing my weekly business budget check-in. I wanted to let you know one change that I made. Last time I made a video, I shared the discrepancies that Etsy said they paid me versus what they actually paid me, like what went into my bank account. So for me to try to get closer to that number, to figure things out like month to month what I'm getting paid, I've changed the way I get paid. I was getting paid once a week. I've now changed it to daily payments so I can see every day of the month how much money I made in Etsy. Unfortunately, they don't make that clear on their site, with at least as far as I can tell, with all of the spreadsheets and everything that I've tried to manipulate and figure out. They don't do that. They don't calculate the daily amount for you that you make on day to day. So anyway, so I have changed that. So hopefully when we close out the month, at the end of the month, my numbers will be closer to reality, hopefully. There was something else I wanted to tell you. Oh yes. I just wanted to let you know, I have been looking into, I looked into Shopify, and I've decided that Etsy is a better place for me at this point in time. So I'm definitely going to stick with the Etsy shop. I'm not changing at this point in time. I think that if I were to change to a different location on the web in the future, I think it would be my own website and not through another party. So for right now, I'm sticking with Etsy. If you would like a deeper explanation of why I made that decision, let me know. I can make a whole video on why that was the decision that I came to. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. In today's video, I'm going to be using this notebook from Plum Paper and this notebook from Erin Condren. I do have affiliate links to both of these websites in the description box below. Starting with income from February 5th through February 11th, we brought in a total of $1,197. I was really blown away by that. I was not expecting that. So, I mean, I was expecting more like 500, in the 500 range. So this is so exciting. So let's see how much we have so far for the month of February. So far we have $1,860. Now this is the amount that Etsy paid me after they took out all their fees. So at the end of the month, we go back and we look at how much I made before they took out all their fees. But we'll do that one time at the end of the month. It's less complicated that way. Okay, so we have $1,860. So moving on to expenses. Oh, I forgot to add my expenses together. We'll do that. We'll do that right now. But first of all, let's talk about each thing. So I purchased a pattern from Etsy. The patterns are these designs in the background of my stickers. I purchased them from artists on Etsy. So I purchased 2 of those actually on the 7th, and they were $4 a piece. I returned the stool to Staples. I had purchased a stool from Staples because my stool I currently use in my office is falling apart. But I didn't like the one I got from Staples, and they took it back. I was so happy they agreed to take it back. So I got a credit of $118. I did pay Jacob. Now, Jacob has another job. He has gotten another job, and it's like a full-time job. So he is now working for me part-time, and he is making $125 a week. So we're gonna see how that goes. If it's too much work for him, he might stop working for me. We're just gonna start here and go from there and see if it's too much work for him. Then I had 3 purchases from Amazon. The first one was OPI Nail Envy, and that's part of my hair and makeup budget for filming on Etsy. See, I do my nails. So I consider that part of the hair and makeup for my videos. And that was $32. I purchased 2 of them. I got a pack of 2. And then I ordered shipping labels. So that was a shipping supply for $21. And I ordered 7x9 mailers, which was also a shipping supply for $40. So let's see all together how much that is. Oh, it's $131. I did calculate it. Okay. our expenses this week were $131. Ooh, much better than last week. Wow. So $649 plus $131 is $780. Okay, coming over to our take-home pay, I am now giving myself a salary of $370 a week, no matter what we make in the shop. And then I'm hoping, last month it worked out, but my hope is by the end of the month, it all evens out. That's the hope. Okay, so $370 plus $370. So far this month, I have made $740 in take-home pay. Okay, so taxes is something that I'm going to calculate once a month, and we do this at the end of the month. So we'll come back to this page at the end of the month. And moving on to my weekly check-in. So I just want to have like a kind of a picture of where we're at. I know it's not going to be 100% accurate until we reach the end of the month, but I'm going to calculate my estimated net profit before taxes. So my income this week was $11.97. And my expenses this week were $131, and my take-home pay was $370. So let's see all together what that would be. So $11.97 minus $131 minus $370 is $696. So at the end of the month, I take the net total from all the weeks, then we calculate taxes, and anything we have left over after we pay taxes, that's what I can use to decide if how much of it I want to save for future business expenses in my business account, and 2, if I give myself a bonus or not. Last month I made a $500 bonus. So that is it for this week's business budget check-in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, will you please give it a thumbs up? That really helps me out when you guys do that. Also, I do have several videos coming out over the next several days. We have a savings challenge video, a family budget check-in, and a cash envelope stuffing video. So I hope you will come back and join me for those. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.